Install the ground wire underneath the seatbelt bracket. Before installation, you must remove the seatbelt bolt and then use sandpaper or a rotating brush to remove the paint from the mounting surface to ensure a good electrical ground. Then, place the ground wire terminal underneath the seatbelt bracket and reinstall the bolt. Be sure to start the bolt with your fingers first to prevent stripping the threads, and then tighten the bolt securely to ensure a tight, reliable connection. Place the subwoofer box into your Tundra. Next, strip the insulation from the red wire and insert the exposed conductor into the plus 12V terminal. Repeat this process for the remote wire, if required, and the ground wire, inserting them into their respective terminals. Be sure to review the provided installation documentation. Connecting the positive and ground wires incorrectly, backwards, will damage your amplifier. Connect the necessary RCA cables or Molex plugs required for your specific installation. Then install the base remote control knob. Refer to the installation documentation for the proper tuning and output setup of your amplifier. Failure to set up the amplifier correctly can result in subwoofer damage. Install the base knob assembly to the immediate left of the hood release lever using 2 small screws. Before fastening, ensure the screws will not hit any wiring or impair the hood release function.